Hi there, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. Nonprofits, I'm going to get straight to the point. We are in a crisis and you need to be clear on your fundraising strategies. The pandemic and economic crisis means some new rules for seeking major support, but also it means you do what works for you. Let me show you what I mean. Here are strategies to continue doing and new ways of thinking when securing large gifts right now. Number 1, the Pareto principle. This 80-20 rule teaches us that a smaller number, 20% of donors account for the larger number, 80% of the charitable gifts given to an organization. Actually, it's more like 90-10, where 90% of your funds come from 10% of your donor database. So where should you spend your time fundraising right now? That's clear. Without a doubt, focus more time, effort, and money on donors first who are passionate about your cause. Next, with the ability to make a major gift, a level defined by you. And last, are philanthropic as evidenced by their giving history. Number 2 in your strategies, be donor focused. Would it surprise you to learn that according to a study by Cygnus Research, 65% of donors who made a first gift never made a second gift to the same nonprofit? 65%! One reason we lose donors each year is that we fail to share meaningful and measurable results. More directly put, we are not communicating with our donors. Now, today, with this major disruption in our lives, we are in jeopardy of falling deeper into this hole. You can prevent this if you ramp up donor communications. Make your donors feel valued and appreciated. With the demands on social distancing, events canceled, and no face-to-face donor visits, we are at even greater risk of losing touch with our donors. We must get back to being donor-focused. Number 3, know your critical needs. While the rush to donors of all sizes is happening now, pause a moment to get a handle on your critical needs. Re-examine your case for giving. Most importantly, be able to share with donors your most urgent needs for your services to continue during these unstable times. Major donors want to hear your plans of how you will continue to serve your mission, a mission for which they are deeply committed. Number 4, avoid emergency ask. Asking donors to help you meet your budget is not a winning ask. Please don't paint a picture of a sinking ship. It's a bad strategy that weakens your case. Few people want to support a nonprofit that is on the brink of collapse. People want to support a winning team. Instead, ask donors to support a program that is in jeopardy because the event was canceled, fees for service disappeared, ticket sales faded, for example. Do you see the difference? Obviously, you did not see this pandemic coming when you planned your budget last year. Be transparent, but don't be a sinking ship. Number 5, no budget projections. No doubt, nonprofits that identify not only immediate needs, but foreseeable requirements and prepare budget projections will be in a better position and well prepared for a successful donor ask call. Certainly, seek the help of your accountant and board members to help with cash flow and financial projections. With so many nonprofits seeking big funding, you have an opportunity to shine when presenting your proposal to business-minded people. Impress them with your strategic thinking. Number 6, stick to what works. An economic downturn does not justify ignoring what has worked with fundraising for you in the past. Do what works. No doubt you want to try new fundraising strategies and test the waters. That's all good. Try new strategies. These are uncharted waters. But don't completely abandon what works with fundraising for you and your organization. Know what works and do what works. Number 7, cut the fat. In a crisis, it's your responsibility as a leader to identify inefficient fundraising activities and assess expenses. This is tough love, but now is an opportunity to eliminate programs, projects, staff, or volunteers, for example, that are not serving you well. What can you eliminate that is not supporting your bottom line and your mission? Ask, is this bringing in big dollars or helping serve our mission in a big way? Decide and then act. Make adjustments now so you can share with potential funders what responsible actions you took to prepare for a possible recession. You want to show you have taken concrete steps to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of your organization. You run a business. Number 8 and last, make philanthropists jump at the chance. With such volatility, it hardly seems like an attractive time to approach donors. Their funds are likely tied up in a downed stock market. But if you align the proposed gift with the donor's passion, it matters less about the timing. If you can show what funds can do to serve your mission, to support your beneficiaries now in this crisis, a philanthropist will jump at the chance. In summary, with nonprofits seeking big funding in the wake of the virus and economic crisis, you want to think about donor relationships. Major gift fundraising is about building strong, long-term, and genuine relationships. Market volatility and the virus threat is likely to continue for months. You must be intentional with your major gift fundraising efforts. These suggestions are offered in an effort for you to maximize your revenue stream in this time of crisis. This will help alleviate short-term pain and maintain and even grow, yes, grow your revenue. It's all possible. I provide overwhelmed leaders of small nonprofits with a roadmap to raise more money through major gifts. If you have not downloaded my free fundraising plan template, click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. Look for that bright green button. One more thing, in light of the crisis and its impact on fundraising, I'm opening my fundraising course earlier than planned. I teach you how to raise money without event fundraising. This system needs to be a part of your culture and a way of securing large gifts. So to be notified when the course opens and receive your free fundraising plan, click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.